as we said, Blue Collar Finance already up out of the SOS stocks. The stock does not trade with a lot of volume. And that was one of the reasons why we choose to up out of the stock. All right. So the most volume that the company trade with is about in the $12, $11, $12 area. All right. That's when the company trades with the most volume. All right. So now the company is trading up to the $18 margin. It's not a lot of volume. It's not a lot of demand coming in for the company. So we choose to just up out at $12 thereabout. All right. Could be a mistake on our part, but we see a bigger fish where we want hook, which is the Jmmb scene. So on that we can just go. I don't know if we have the Jmmb result out now. But Jmmb came out. I mean, we were expecting the Jmmb had this acquisition in the pipeline, which a company has been touting from about 2022, and Blue Collar Finance did follow that. We see where it was stocks on the rock. We see where stocks on the rock. I don't know how much I want to follow this that space, but we see where them invite Keith and him team over there. And Keith definitely talked about, and it's first we hear him really talk about the buyback program where them set in place. And the man like chew water on the buyback program. Like,
Keith is going to touch the buyback for us. So when we said buyback program, everybody thinks it's a big, huge buyback program, and then we're going to have the executing and buying back a lot of shares. The buyback program was approved for like 300 million, right, Greg? Initially, right? And we can always up that. Now, what that is about is when the stock is selling off for no fundamental reason, you want to be able to give it some support, right? Because if it's selling off just on some retail people selling off, then that is not fundamental about that. And what we have found is that we have to be able to give the stock a floor, right? But it's not like we have intense buyback program where we're going to buy back 5% of the shares outstanding. Not like that. It's just it's a mechanism to support the stock price.
The man say, yo, the buyback program is not really like they're investing. You know, most people buy back stock, most company buy back stock as a mean of investing. All right, so if it is that you have this large amount of cash balance on your balance sheet, you don't know what to do with it, you don't see no hot investment out there, and you think that your company is selling at below its fair value, and the return that you can make on that is really satisfactory, you might just invest in your company. So most people buy back them share as a mean of investing in their company so as to shore up shareholder value. But Keith really did that say, yo, I buy back the stock as a mean of investing. We know so the stock is undervalued, but we just want to do a little base, like establish a base for the company, like a floor. Then you get me. So they want to use the buyback program to establish a support level, so the stock price should not fall below that level. Now, what price is that? We do not know because they never say. And them also talk about the small amount of money, the $300 million what them set aside to buy back the company. Says a very small amount of money. All right. So it kind of put a little negative vibe in the market about Jmmb stock, but we see it in a different way, because may I say, why would he come out and talk so negative about the buyback program? To me, it was really saying something there in the pipeline where you want to push through something bigger than just the buyback program. See? So I saw me I read it still. So when we see them come out now, I say, yo, they met the acquisition. I say, oh, that was it. Because it was really the acquisition them after. See, so them buy a bank in the dam rep. So Jmmb just acquire a bank. People are say it's not a large bank, But we don't want Jmmb acquire a large bank. We want Jmmb acquire a small bank and grow that bank going forward. You see me? So when you look at Jmm's report, the banking section of Jmm's operation is the most efficient part of the operation. And that is the thing that we like about the fact is a bank them acquire. All right. So the bank so far, I mean, Jmmb has three segments. See, so them have them investment segment, them have them insurance segment, and the banking segment. The insurance segment I do exceptionally well now because Sagicor, you know the amount of money Sagicor operation is passing over to the Jmmb books. All right, so and the investment segment are the well. So the banking segment is not. The banking segment continues to grow locally, but we think there's room, a lot more room for the banking segment to expand. All right, so locally in Jamaica, the commercial bank, Jmmb commercial bank, is growing faster than the overall banking industry. So what that means is that Jmmb is taking market share from who? Me don't know, but people are losing market share to Jmm's operation. It's a good look. I will see where now the company buy this bank in the dam rep. That's a good look. In terms of the operation, as I say, the banking segment of Jmm's operation is the most efficient aspect of the operation. So we are look for more efficiency from the Jmm's operation due to the fact that them acquired this bank and I look to grow the bank in that section of the market. In terms of population, Damrep have over 10 million people. So the opportunity that country offers Jmmb is looking good. All right, so we love the fact that Jmmb step out and do what Jmmb do. Actually, it was two banks. Me hear them say them want to acquire them. Want to talk about one. So I don't know if something more in the pipeline. I don't know. All right, but Jmmb drop result, and the result, first quarter result, and we see where Jmmb result is still being impacted by the environment in which we operate. All right, so it's set a weird so. I know the environment, the higher interest rate will hamper the banking system. And in terms of their investment, some of the investment lost value. All right. But after we got through this little period, we are looking for Jmmb, the big things. All right. So again, you know, a blue collar portfolio, Jmmb are one of our bigger holdings. So we still hold on to the Jmmb stock. We still love the Jmmb stock. Everything good over there. So, all right.